Unfold the cutouts on a flat clean surface face down. Set aside the easels and Velcro tabs for assembly later. Remove the small cutouts, stands and matching pause cards from the cardboard surround. Assemble the small cutouts by matching the groove on the cards with the bases and simply slide into place. Gently lift and remove the remaining cardboard surround from the 3 larger cutouts. Take extra care with narrow and protruding areas to avoid bending or snapping details. Now to assemble the easels. Lay the easel flat on a hard surface with the pre-creased lines facing upwards. Then fold down both flaps. Fold up the left and right sides of the easel along the height following the pre-creased lines. Then push the top inside the easel to lock it into place. Apply the supplied Velcro tabs to the bottom and top of the easel. Remove the backing paper to reveal the adhesive. Line up the easel to the base of the cutout in the center. Ensure the easel cannot be seen when viewed from the front. Stick the easel to the reverse by pressing firmly on the Velcro tabs. Repeat for the rest of the larger cutouts. Enjoy playing the matching pairs game. For best results, allow 24 hours for the adhesive to cure before lifting the whole cutout from the surround. Enjoy! Your cutouts are complete.